Hello, sir, and all the judges. So basically, this is the project which is known as Interview AI, which will help the users to crack their interviews or ace their interviews by improving their communication skills. So let's get started with the demonstration part first of all. So this is basically the interface that I made. Now, after clicking on the start interview, it is just going to start my interview. Now, for now, I have set the question limit to two. So after the two questions, it is going to give me the report. So I will show you that we can change it accordingly.
Alright, let's begin. Welcome to the interview. Tell me a little about yourself. What are your key skills and experiences?
Hello, sir. A very good evening to you. So basically, I am Jitesh Bansal from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and talking about my key skills. So basically, I am a Python developer and a game developer. So I know Unity with C hash and Unreal with C++, and also I know Python and much about generative AI and all. And talking about the data analysis part, I also know that too.
Okay, Jitesh. It's great to meet you. Let's start with your interest in this position. You mentioned being a Python developer and a game developer. Could you tell me a little more about your specific experience in those areas? What kind of Python projects have you worked on, and what kind of games have you developed?
Sure, I can tell you more about my experience. So basically, I worked in a company known as Byte Simplified as a developer intern, and there I learned much about the game development part. Like I created a clone of the Angry Birds game and also made some amazing games. Basically, they were the story type games of 2D games. And talking about the Python intern, so basically it was in Techplement, which is also a Python based company. So it in that I learned I did some projects like the one was a random password generator but without using random library, and also they gave us a project with ArcPhase, which was basically for the thing that like we can use it to get a terminal based command to perform a specific function like the file compression or anything. So I learned that. So now here you can see that it gave me a overall report in which at first it gave me my answer was poor. Of course, I didn't got through all the points, but on the second answer it gave me a good evaluation. So basically, because I just told him everything, and it also gave me the final result, which was satisfactory, means the interview just got satisfied, and I need to improve much more. And it also gave me the positive and the of course negative feedback. So you guys can read if you want to, but it's all about me. Now the next part I will show is the second part, which is ask for the best answers, of course. So I will just type out one question here and it's going to give me the best answer that we can give in that interview. So I'll just think for one question and will write it. Okay, so I will write out the same question that tell me. So now it will just extract and get the possible best possible answer that we can give to the interviewer. Like here's the full answer. The question isn't asking for your life story, it's an opportunity to highlight your relevant skills, experiences, and how they connect to the specific job you are interviewing for. Like, and also it gave us the example of like for a software engineer, how we can say that. So, like, I am a software engineer with 5 years of experience building and deploying basically the web application, my passion for clean code and like that only. And it also gives us the important tips that how we can just rephrase it or rehearse it again and again. So this is how you can use this, and it is of course going to help the interviewer candidates. So this is what the project is. Thank you for watching the video.